Hello guys, welcome back. Today, I'll be reviewing the best amazing BISSELL Steam Cleaner. If you're looking for accurate and reliable information, watch the full video. So let's start our review today. The BISSELL Steam Shot OmniReach is a compact yet powerful steam cleaner, designed for everyday cleaning and deeper sanitizing across your home, all without the use of harsh chemicals. With high-pressure steam at your fingertips, this portable cleaner effortlessly tackles tough messes on sealed hard surfaces like tile, grout, glass, and even soft surfaces like fabric and upholstery. It includes 10 specialized tools to handle a wide variety of cleaning jobs, making it a go-to solution for bathrooms, kitchens, windows, and beyond. Key features: trusted brand. BISSELL's legacy of quality ensures reliable performance and exceptional customer service. Unsure if Steam Shot OmniReach can handle mess? Call Consumer Care for peace of mind. Kitchen and bathroom cleaning? Obviously. Harness 3-bar, 1,000 watts of 230 degrees Fahrenheit steam to obliterate germs, bacteria, and grime with ease. Put the grout and flat scrapping tools to work. Kid and pet products? Steam clean messes in a flash. High chairs, car seats, pet dishes. So clean, you'll have peace of mind. Use the angle tool with the extension hose for those awkward angles. Yeah, there's a tool for that too. Endless cleaning possibilities. Use any of the 10 included versatile tools and keep upright for peak performance and uninterrupted power. Every purchase saves pets. Every purchase makes it possible for BISSELL to continue our support of BISSELL Pet Foundation and its mission of saving pets in need. Chemical-free cleaning. Uses only water. No need for detergents or cleaning products, making it safe for homes with kids and pets. Versatile with multiple attachments. Comes with 10 tools, including brushes, fabric steamer, window squeegee, and more, ideal for a wide range of cleaning tasks. Compact and lightweight, easy to carry and maneuver, perfect for tight or awkward spots like corners, grout lines, and bathroom crevices. Quick heat-up time, ready to use in under a minute, delivering high-pressure steam on demand. If you're looking for a reliable, efficient steam cleaner that delivers results, the BISSELL Steam Shot is an excellent choice. That was today's review. I hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.